Worshipful Sir, I present to you for installation Brother Moracha, who has been elected Senior Warden of this lodge. He is of good morals, true and trusty, and he possesses the love and confidence of his brethren. This certificate vouches for his proficiency.
Brother Moracha, you have been elected senior warden of this lodge, and you will now be invested with the jewel of your station. The level of my brother demonstrates that we are descended from the same stock, that we partake of the same nature and share the same hope, and that although distinctions of a man are necessary to preserve subordination, yet no eminence of station should make us forget that we are brethren. For he who is placed in the lowest spokes of fortune's wheel may be entitled to our regard, because a time will come, and the wisest are not now soon, when all distinctions save that of goodness shall cease, and death, the mighty leveler of human greatness, reduces to the same state. Your regular attendance on our state meetings is essential. In the absence of the master, you are to govern the law. In his presence, you are to assist him in the government of it. I firmly rely on your knowledge of masonry and attachment to the laws for the faithful discharge of the duties of this important trust. Look well to the west.